Sada Sharma and you're watching me on Bollywood Live. I'm going to share with you some of my closet goodies. So I'm going to start with bags. This is my sequined backpack. So you can make any outfit like really cool because it's sequins. So even if you wear like a plain white dress or you're just wearing a tee and jeans like what I'm right now, you can carry this along. I love backpacks because then you can stuff a lot of stuff in. This is a tiny backpack, but still, this is my question mark bag. I like bags that are nice and quirky and cool, so this is a question mark when you're like wondering or thinking. And it fits a lot of stuff in also. It's quite a big bag and you can hold it like very poshly as well. Now I'm going to share with you guys some of the bags that I've painted. So I think clutches are really nice and girls love to use clutches all the time. So these are some clutches that I've painted. This is like a BST buses, so there's best.
Okay, also like Ada, like you have painted this. So can you tell me a little bit about what is the material?
This is the normal canvas fabric that you use, and I don't know how to stitch at all. So I give it to a tailor who stitches these ends up here and here so that the bag is sealed. And then you can open it and you can put stuff in it like a regular clutch. He also puts buttons on it and then he gives it to me like plain as it is. I paint with fabric paint on it. This is, you can't use watercolors or something that will run out because I like them to be durable and waterproof. Fabric paint is waterproof and canvas is a nice eco-friendly material. I don't like using synthetic bags and I anyway don't use like leather or any animal body product bags. This is a piano because I like playing piano. And this is a broken piano where the keys are all broken. It's an old broken piano. I like broken stuff. I think it looks very pretty. This what will tell you about my very messed up mind. So this is a planet and there's the women are from Mars and men are from Venus thing. Women are from Mars and yeah, that. And then there's a mouse who wants to be Mickey Mouse, so he's wearing Mickey Mouse hairband. There's a spider who wants to be Spider-Man. Yes, I'm slightly messed up and there's an eclipse happening and this is the Earth. It's a planet that's rotting and there's a lot of thought that's gone through this. This is my favorite hero. This is Johnny Depp as Edward Scissorhands and I love Johnny Depp and I thought I had to have a clutch with Johnny Depp on it as Edward Scissorhands, who's my favorite romantic hero ever, and this is my favorite, one of my favorite romantic films, Edward Scissorhands and King Kong. So this is Edward Scissorhands. So this is supposed to look like a book. So when you walk around, you're going to think this is a book, but then you're going to realize, oh, it's not a book, it is a clutch bag. So all of them have the same concept. They're all stitched from the sides, not by me. My tailor stitches, and I paint. So these are ladybugs. And this is some ladybug trivia that's written all around it. So yes, and I think insects are very, very stylish and very fashionable. This is my grasshoppers. I think insects are very fashionable, the way they stand and they're always poised. So this is my grasshopper who's perched on my clutch. And this is supposed to look torn. I like torn or broken, slightly messed up things are nice.
How much time does it take to dry up, like if you want to do it at home?
Oil takes very long. I'm not a very good oil painter. Also, oil paint takes like some 4-5 days to sometimes dry and it's a little messy. You need turpentine and everything to clean it off. So fabric paint is easy if you're an amateur painter like me. So you can just wash it off with water and you're sorted. You can clean your brushes with water. So overnight, yeah, maximum time overnight, like 5-6 hours and you're dry. This is my Japanese fan clutch. So it's supposed to look like a nice Japanese fan, but it's not. It's a clutch. So yeah, this is painted like those, like the Japanese designs that they have on kimonos. And this is my half clock, which says whatever, who cares, which means about the time. And this is each, I'm very bad at math, I copied this from somewhere. So this would be like 1 o'clock because it's 1,02,473 minus 1,02,000, whatever, which would make it 1. The square root of 4, which is 2. This would be 3, and so everything is, I don't like numbers too much, so this is copied from somewhere, but this is my broken clock. And this is another clutch. I didn't make this, but I got it and I had to have it. So it's a bag of potato chips.
Okay.
So you can put your stuff in. It's very tiny, so it could be like, that's my background music to make me sound very important and nice. That's being played. And this is my bag of potato chips. Not really, but it looks, yeah, so this I got from somewhere because I thought it was really cool. This I've just bought yesterday. See, the label's not out yet. Price tag's not out yet. We means yes in French. So here. So that's with my bags. But I have a lot of shoes, but you'll usually see me wearing white sneakers like I am right now, because I feel like white sneakers go with everything and it's the easiest thing to wear. But I do have a lot of shoes. I love wearing heels. I love wearing heels because then I can look really, really tall. I'm not, I would like to be like 5 feet 10 inches tall, but I'm not. I'm 5'6". So I like wearing like those 4-inch heels and looking really, really tall. So I have a lot of heels in my collection, a lot of 5-inch heels, 6-inch heels. So I'll show you all of my shoes now. So this is a pair of Dalmatian shoes. This is not actual Dalmatian fur. This is just normal material. Rexenia, it's waterproof also. So I painted this so that it looks like a Dalmatian fabric. So these are hand painted. Fabric paint again. Just to prove that you can wear animal print and you don't need to have an animal cut up and killed to wear it. You can just paint it and make it look like this. And these are heels also. These are another pair of shoes that I decided to paint. These are very quirky shoes.
Okay. How much time did it take like for you to paint this?
Yeah, shoes take a long time. It's very difficult to paint it because the surface is not even like a canvas. It goes on twists and turns. So you take a 000 brush and use it and make. So this is like Guns and Roses. There's guns and there's roses here. And there's an eye and there's a telephone. This doesn't really make too much sense. It's just nice colors put together, but shoes like take very long. Yeah, because it takes long to dry, and then you hold this, and I held it when it was wet, and then that's dry, and so all that. But it's fun painting shoes.
You use the same fabric paint?
Yeah, I use only fabric paint. I'm not very good with oil. I'm very, very messy with oil. Put it on myself, and then it doesn't come out from your nails and everything. Fabric paint is nice. You shampoo your hands, and it goes away. This is Raja and Rani. Shoes. These I have not personally painted. These I purchased from somewhere. But these are hand painted by an artisan. So I really like them. They were very pretty. And Mojris I think everyone must have in their closet. These go nicely with if you're wearing a kurta and jeans, or if you're wearing like even shorts and a white t-shirt, or a white shirt and jeans or anything. I wear these with like almost everything. But yeah, kurta, or it's summer, it's really hot, a maxi gown, a nice dress, anything. It looks nice with even all white. So these, and it's really cool because they say whatever. So yeah, I really like these. Very special shoes, whatever. Okay. So these are 5 of my favorite.
Okay. And like how much is like work a part of your wardrobe? Because you see,
as you can see, a very big part. I need my clothes to inspire me, and I need to wear stuff that makes me feel creative. I need some quirk to be part of it, like you said.